Wallahi, we make them suffer and we make them believe that Ramadan is a month where you're supposed to be in the kitchen for at least 7 hours and then only be accepted. And for them, it's just Qul Huwallahu Ahad in every rak'ah.
No, mota mpata duna kutubong ko na kela nalen def lu bon ñoo xam ne xamu leen dara ngeen dem toog seen podi ndey ngeen jàng naka ngeen mun a dëkka ci kër
mbaɗin ŋaaje waati tambira Musti Menk ay kibaro findindi walla e kawando ke min mbeɗen ni musolla tabiri kuwola sunkaro kono anin fannajama akko kaje ko ka waati worowla be ke tabirola womu junubole ti manam musol fana nyante fonyola le anin fannajama soko sunkaro kono Musti Menk yo fannama mo jamana ra ko ni janjang social media kono kela opinion fo ko ni to anin fannajama nataje min kera reggae dancehall artist mi ka kumandi kim pata afana findita ka kuma fo ko ka tandi ko ne mo kulati mi alon ko akana mo musol la koteke kawo kuma sifa fo anin fannajama akko musol nyanta tabiro kelale mo kana fo kafu ko bi kewle tabiro ke soma musole tabiro ke anin fannajama o kamalante diamo sen law fannato me min kala Musti Menk mbadala kuma kan la mo le triya kono sina kim pata jabiro min ko kuro kairo kono na sa mbari.
We are no longer living in a stage where you can impose on family members, and whether it's your wife, your daughter-in-law, your whoever else it may be. Wallahi, we make them suffer and we make them believe that Ramadan is a month where you're supposed to be in the kitchen for at least 7 hours and then only be accepted. And for them, it's just Qul Huwallahu Ahad in every rak'ah. Allah forgive us. Wallahi, it's a sin, it's a crime. They also need to read Quran. They also need to get close to Allah.
Mbadin, mbele o fanna mo nyola, min keta mufti la o kuma kanti, ay tandiro ko kaje ko, mantra o jamano to koteke, min keta musolla tabiru kuo, ko min atanda la nyamen, wo keta kuti mi alon ka diamo siata bake, mufti aje ko kuleti mi alon ko, junubolem, muso tara tabiro la fo, montro wati worowula, akoy fana nyanta ke fonyole, wala ifana nyanta ka Qur'ano karanne, min keta kewol bukatara fenna wolem salik ya wato wati kulu huwa mai kawle karani fanna jama wakamala ko mi ngatanda la nyamen akara kuti mi alon ko adiamo siata bake mo jama atandi kaje ko kulati mi alon ko manyankela bari nsafo audio damma wala janjanta ngami moy audio mutata dame wala kera Watson Gambia mbadion mufti atandi ko rakawo raka kulu huwa damma e kawle karan anin fanna jama mo jama ya tandi kaje ko asakeno ku jama be audio kono le min se moyno wakamala manjere dia mo siaje ko min atanda la nyame reggae dancehall artist o fana min ika kumande kimpata afana fintita le ka kuma dandam fo koro de finkela be wala kuma kan la moyla ay yamoro min jindi musoliye be o jubira triya kono kairo kono na sign mbari
people cook. Yeah, you can buy your own food and do your thing. When I go to Africa, I cook myself, but because I choose to cook for myself, even though I cook, the women still cook food and give it. So, Sumalen dega te fi ngen nan fi ni ne gori duga ci wañi dañoo sédo fi tikki nalen def lu bon ñoo xam ne xamu leen dara ngeen dem toog seen podi ndey yi ngeen jàng naka ngeen mun a dëkka ci kër loolu tax I give you example now. Just watch the death rate, the amount of young people who die. The amount of young people dying is more than big people. People are growing up to 50. Now this generation, young people, mostly they're not past, they're not even reach 30 years. Even 30 years, this generation, most of them don't reach 30 blood-clad years. You know why? Because the generation is losing it. We're losing manners. This generation is losing manners. This generation want to adopt somebody else's thing. This generation want to do what other people are doing. Yeah? White people can come and say they're going to legalize and force you people to start accepting certain things that is never aligned with our liberty. You understand? But now, African people, especially these people talking about women not supposed to go in the kitchen, they're using the Quran, using Islam, defending and backing. But I lie, you know, tell Islam we never hear the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam go in the kitchen and cook for his wife. No, the man out there do jaw walks and his wife. I make sure I look after the yard because she is the queen of the yard. The Prophet will help, yes, but it's not his duty to go into the kitchen and cook. So when Mufti is sitting somewhere nice and comfortable, just talking and getting paid, and I tell him fuckery, yeah, when I mix up the thing. The reason why this generation don't live more than even 30 years, they lose respect, they don't have manners, they are not clever, they think they are smart, they are not clever, they think them clever, they're not smart. Yeah, social media fuck up on your head, you don't know, you don't have no more respect. All these small girls in Gambia, all of them want to live independent. Every small little bojo moo xam ne mutu leen buus ngeen bëgg a toj buus yéen foo leen jógee you see a little girl from 16, 17, 18, every girl want to live independent. No girl no want to get a proper boyfriend and develop and marry and build up a life and family. It's like a joke. This month is a heavy duty month. Yeah, man, everybody is looking for some form of blessings and hopefulness. Everybody is trying to erase their sins, and you don't have nothing to tell the women them, but to go and telling their husband and tell husband, hey, go in the kitchen and cook.
Mbaliun mbele ufanna mo nyola wala keda kimpata la kumakandoti I mean tandi ufanna ta ko manam ateka tabiro kele ako bari nata ta Gambia musolo fanan ka tabiro kele ya diala nim fanna jama ate ajo ko no mutanol ti pruka fo musole ko manyan ka tabiro ke kewle ta tabiro la nim fanna jama kimpata ajo ko kulati miyalon ka manyan kila atande ko social media ning abe musu jamale hakilo tinyakan sunkuru jama hakilo tinyakan men kedan sanje tanni woro wala sunkuru niwon e be laftaka independent comme moma lafika futu ko deke anim fanna jama kimpata fanna jama le ma otemanto ka tandi ko musole ta tabirola comme be ngalo nyambe sunkaro kono ako mo jama ba katakan pour que la juni wol ko o kamala mufti ka fo mole ko ke wole ta tabirola ni fanna jama ko me ngatanda la nyame o audio damba nga wole moy o fanna mamira musol nyanda ka o muta ka ke e laftala nyame anim fanna jama bayen kom be ngalo nyame o mu kulati mi alon ko amanke bi kuti anim fanna jama o kamala bele kuma ka mo nyola mbe tente na kimpara kuma ka doto mana san
that you looking up to as a role model, cause them supposed to live in a Europe and go to school, but them are fools. Yeah? When I look up to them, it's them people coming telling you all bag of fuck about how you fit tie and be equal right and way with your man. Whoever tell you you're not supposed to be equal right with your woman and your man. But the way you push it into the people, it's like you have an agenda. Lol nag du fi am bo teke la jang no mota bi mfa du na ko to bon ko to kala du fi am ni na wani rek professional weri ko ni yalla gini kanya musa dega weri ko ni yalla jigen di yoni goram ci bi wañi pour mu len tora because mu ne dafa wara jamu ya lolu boko ci jamu ya toga sa njaboot yi surtout weeri koor bii ni nga xam ne yow da nga war a tooga yow jigéen nga yóbbu kabu si biti nga xam ne ñoo xam ne amuñ li ñoo lekka ñun dogu xanaa yéen xamul leen ne jigéen moo dee am doom yéen a dee jur doom yi soo seen doom yi dañ war a génn dem fu nekk so you know set up a good example you want the man them to go cook te yow nga xam ne ci kër gi su demee ba dang góor gi dem uti xaalis o uti leneen o sona na dem na yoonam mère yaa fa dee nekk xale yi mère yi la jigéen dafa war a am yërmande you know so def ma xam te teeloo na weeri koor yàlla gi bu leen ñu sonal bu ne yoo xam ne amu leen naano maanaat ñoom nem toog seen pooju ndey mutu leen mbuus bugg a ñëw toj mbuus yi du fi am bu fekkee ne daal li ngeen bugga ngeen ñëw dëkk Europe si di ngeen ko fi am ñëw leen waaye banjooli jaay brigade loolu du fa am ni a teeloo no des sama so respect
mbadiun mbele mo nyola ala baraka bakala la mo ko nyimala wala kala kim patala kuma kanti ay men tande kabra mo roke mufti la kuma kanto mimbe janjankan musolo fana ko ni sementu ya kim pata tande ko se yaklo do fanato kairo kano fo ngolo stala be mbadiun ala baraka la mo ko nyima